This is the body of our 3-head grinder. Include 3 conversion heads, a changing clip, accessories, and manual. Let me show you how to replace the diaphragm. Use a wrench to loosen the screws counterclockwise. Remove the other 2 in the same way. Tighten the same built-in adapter heads. Just stick the resin sheet on. This knob adjusts the grinder speed. A total of 6 gears. Press the start button. Press and hold the middle button to fix the speed. It can be assembled to work on a stand. Remove the fans to grind the corners. Can also be used with a vacuum cleaner. The vacuum pipe is installed like this. The short end is attached to the grinder mouth. The buckles at both ends are aligned. The other end of the long connector is attached to the vacuum cleaner. This is the vacuum belt interface. Put on the vacuum belt. Lock with snap. Here it is tightened with a screwdriver. Press the start button to work. Long press the button next to it to continue working. Press again to stop. This small knob can adjust the wind speed.